my Web3 fellow citizens, Eugene CryptoMC from DAO Envelope is here in case you missed the main news in NFT space in May 2025. Why not to put 15 minutes of your valuable attention and go and jump the link in the description and read the digest number 47, which is brought to you by Envelope Marketing Team and covers the main event, very important event, to realize what was going on in the industry to be informed. Let's look inside in this document and check why it's worth your 15 minutes reading. Also, NFT Digest number 47 covers May 2025. It consists of 3 sections: news section, development, and market section. And it starts with amazing news from NFT Scan. NFT Scan canceled supporting some of the blockchains. We're not getting why it has done, but nonetheless, you must have learned this news, and the headline and the starting of the digest covers this event. Now it supports just 8 chains, and even before it supported more than 25 chains. If you know what happened to the NFT Scan, just let us know in the comments. The news section of the digest consists of the very important news of the May 2025. Worth knowing some headlines: Apple has released App Store restrictions, DEX for NFT and perps goes out of business, 40 Acres launched delegated repayment, Stocknet introduced it probably, Brave, the privacy-focused web browser, which I absolutely love, introduced .brave domain, seed phrase leads to phrase AI, and Telegram presents gift marketplace. Development section consists of a shape unveiled builder kit. It's easy to go and check the initial link and to read the GitHub. And by the way, if you are interested in DeFi learning in 2025, join our private Telegram chat, which is also in the description, and learn DeFi course, which is made with experience of our DAO members. It is quite unique for 2025. It consists of all the best practices for DeFi starters. And the market section, as always, finalizes this amazing long read and consists a lot of numbers for all market statisticians, learners, economic historians. I would say consists markets, collections, trading volumes, sales volumes, NFT lendings, blockchains, and so on and so forth. You will love the section if you explore market. And by the way, if you're interested in learning all the history of the NFT segments in previous years, check the digest subpage on Envelope's website. Easy to find a digest which covers every previous month. Go and download free PDF digest, an amazing source for all the market historians, which covers a history of NFT space in previous 5 years. It started in 2021 year. And folks, if you want to learn more about NFT 2.0 as a whole general section of Web3, check the learning page of the Envelope website. You'll find dozens of information about NFT 2.0, also known as utility NFT, smart NFT, programmable NFT, and so on and so forth. And by the way, check our The Rising of NFT 2.0 free PDF ebook, easy to download on the website. And go check our private Telegram chat for DeFi learners in 2025. The course has already started. Join, it is for free. Guys, this has been a short review of NFT Digest number 47, which covers NFT news in May 2025. Check the link into the description. Go read this long read and be informed, be educated. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.